All right, Dr. Huebner, I am here with somebody very familiar. As you can see, Dr. Blumenthal is here and looks amazing, but we had a little bit of an opening sort of last minute, so we're going to just do a little bit of touch-up in his hairline. You can see from the front here, if you never had anything done, this would be an amazing result, and it is an amazing result.
Yep.
But we're just going to tighten it up a little more. I guess we're a little greedy being in the industry. We just need perfection, So
what else am I going to do on my day off?
Again, exactly. You got to do something on your day off. Exactly. So you can see right now it's really not that bad. We're just going to tighten it up a little bit more. If we weren't in the industry, we probably wouldn't care.
Yep.
But we're just going to tighten it up a little more here in the front. And you can see here on the side too. Just going to tighten up a little more. So awesome.
Exciting.
Looking forward to it, man. How you nervous? I mean, this is you've done this before. Are you nervous?
I was excited until this morning, then I got nervous. So
Okay.
I'm a very good doctor, but I've never been a good patient. So
And this
it's
time-
hard for me being on the other side.
This time we're actually going to try some nitrous too. So I'm curious to see how your
me
experience is with that, because
Yeah.
you had it without it, and kind of compare. So we're always trying to improve things here, and sort of. So I'm happy and we believe in our product. I mean, this is a perfect example of, and not only Dr. Blumenthal, our sales guys, even our technicians have had hair transplants.
Yeah.
So and they're documented on the website. So thanks again for showing your results.
Yeah, man.
Appreciate it. All right, we've just finished the day at Dr. Blumenthal, so I want to kind of zoom in here and kind of point out everything. So just a final coat of paint on everything. He just really nice tight hairline all the way around. And this is going to be incredible. I cannot wait. I think he fell asleep for some of it. Yeah, quick day.
It always amazes me how easy it is. Like you all the anxiety, and then afterwards you say it just really wasn't that big a deal.
Yep.
I hear that from so many patients, and it's hard to imagine, but it's hard to convince someone that ahead of time, but it really is. It goes by so fast.
Awesome.
And it's really just not a big deal.
Cool.
So
Awesome.
I recommend it for everybody.
And he got a good price too, so that helps.
True.
But yeah, no, I'm glad you had a good day, and looking forward to seeing your results,
Awesome,
man.
buddy. All right, man.
See ya.